Hey, welcome back, everybody. I want to quickly show you guys. We got our hands on the Galaxy Z.
4 5.
Yeah, Fold 5. That's correct. In the icy blue color. So if you guys were, wanted to see what it actually looks like, we'll unbox this one and just kind of take a look at it and see. That way, if you guys were interested in purchasing one, at least you'll know what it looks like, and then we'll be, compare it. This is the Galaxy Z Fold 4, and then we'll see if, can we use the same cases or not. Maybe you have to purchase new cases, but yeah, let's take a look quickly and then we'll just unbox this one really quick. Let's go ahead.
Should we tell them what is it made for? Just all phones, or do you need to use it on one phone, type of phone?
Well, you can use it with, actually this actually has an eSIM also, and I believe it's got a SIM card as well. So yeah, you'll be able to use it, I think, on 2 SIM cards. Yeah, there you go. Very nice. So yeah, also nowadays, of course, as you know, they've cut back on, no more chargers are included, but you basically, it's a thin box and you basically just gonna get the little SIM extractor or ejector there, and then you get your charging cable in here. So yeah, there's not much that they provide any longer, as you can see here. So yeah, that's all you're gonna get nowadays. You don't get no charger or anything, just the phone and there's just the cable, right?
Yeah. Oh, it comes with the phone, actually.
Yeah, this is actually the phone. This is the Fold, and again, this is the Fold 4. So yeah, let's take a look really quick here as we can.
But this one's more bigger than that size, right?
No, they actually should be the same size. So let's open this.
Because it looks kind of longer than that one.
Oh, it's because it's opened up.
Oh.
Let's take a look at this bad boy here.
Let's see what it looks like.
Yeah.
Oh.
And there you go, everybody.
Let's compare it to this one. Let's see how
yeah, and there's the icy blue color. It almost looks like a purple color if you guys are looking at it. Let's go down here. This one actually comes with a nice chrome.
Let me see, Esther.
Let's take a look at it. Let's show them everything here. So it's got the chrome edges here around the bezels here. Very nice. And you can see here it has the it's got the nice chrome here as well for the edge here. So that's very nice. You can see that. And then as you close it here, the new thing about this, now you can see how it actually closes flat compared to the Galaxy Z Fold 4. As you can see here, it's a lot open. Let me take off the case on the 4, just kind of show you guys really quick, just so you can so we can compare on this
and really see what size it is and see if it's kind of different.
Yeah, that's correct. And see how the difference is now. So you get the it actually closed flatter. It actually feels a lot nicer now than the Galaxy Z4. Of course, everything is improved, and everything else is basically about the same, as you can see here. It's got the volume controls there, and it's got the fingerprint sensor and the power button there. SIM card tray there, and this one I believe has a SIM card eSIM as well. Up at the top, it's got the speaker, and it's got 3 microphones there. In the back here, it's got the flash versus in the previous one it was down at below there. So yeah, you probably won't be able to use the same case or not. It's got the basically the cameras kind of look about the same position as the older Z4, or no, as you can see, well, the only difference is because of this little notch of the flash is now up in that direction. So that's just kind of different there. Work our way down here, down toward the bottom. Type USB-C down at the bottom with the other speaker grill down at the bottom. Another mic there in the bottom. So yeah, it's very nice. Again, it's actually it almost looks purple, doesn't it? It almost.
Yeah, it kind of looks purple.
Let me see if I can see if we can get this focus in there. No, I don't know if we can get it focused, but yeah, but you guys can see here.
Can I see it?
Yeah.
Well, it looks kind of purple. It doesn't look...
Doesn't look icy blue, huh?
Mm-mm.
Yeah, it doesn't look icy blue at all. Let's see if would this actually fit. This is my... Actually, you can see it actually fits the Galaxy Z4 case cover, actually. So it's basically the same size phone, as you can see, because it does fit pretty, except now and the camera is covering. This one had a little extra notch because of the flash there. Now that the flash has moved to the side, you end up covering it, so you won't be able to use an old case from your Z4 Fold. If you had one, you're gonna have to use a new one. But yeah, very nice case, or not, sorry, not nice phone. The color is very nice. Again, it's more on the kind of actually even lavender. Huh. Yeah, it's kind of like a lavender purple.
I was expecting it to be blue. I didn't expect it to be purple.
Yeah, it's actually the same here. The crease in the center, as this is the 4, you can see here, but this one's actually peeling out there. It's actually more noticeable on the 4. This one is actually not as noticeable now. I don't know if the video can capture that. Hopefully it does. So it does have less of a, a line down the center.
You gotta
there.
put it like this. Let me show you.
Yeah.
If you want it to be flat, you gotta go like this. Not on the table, but like this. If you want it on the table, you gotta go like this. So they can actually see it. Look on the video where I am.
Yeah, that way you can see it, or have it flat on the ground. The only thing you guys gotta be careful is you don't want to scratch up the cameras when you lay it down flat. That's why you pick up a case. The case usually has some kind of like a little notch there.
For the cameras to see when you take pictures.
Yeah, and actually they'll protect it when it's lifted up like that. So that's in my older case. Yeah, so that's a quick look at the Z4. Sorry, Galaxy Z Fold 5.
5.
Sorry. Too many folds and too many numbers. We gotta get confused here.
Yeah. I can't even talk anymore.
Yeah.
You too.
And the hinge part is actually very nice now. As you can see there, it's actually it feels more. Actually, feels much nicer now than the previous version. It feels very solid. I can feel it as I'm opening this up. And you can again set this down at the edges. The 4 wasn't as bad. It's not that bad like you would say, but yeah, you can definitely feel the differences. And again, one of the things is now it actually folds pretty flat, as you can see here. Let me get these two together. Oh, one more thing I'm gonna show you guys is these it's almost the same as you can see there, but once you start looking at the side here, you'll see that it's not the same there. So yeah, so hope this video helps, right?
Yep. And can I see a few questions?
Sure. What do you got?
And guys, you better hit that subscribe button, or else we're calling the police. You better.
No, we're not gonna call the police, but yeah, hope you guys can help our channel. Subscribe to our channels, hit that notification bell, sign up, so that way they can see more of our videos, right?
And if there's new videos, check them out, because there's probably gonna be something inside.
So yeah, so once again, thanks for watching.
Bye.
Bye.